to a suicidal, bipolar, depression, anxiety, loss of job. Trust me, there's someone to hear you. Me and my team will make sure that you walk out of it as not for only for Abu Dhabi community, but as humans. So God bless you all. Play safe and play to win.
First of all, thank you so much for inviting me and making me as a family member of MCL Season 2. I would like to congratulate every single person who put a small effort to a large effort. By nationality, I'm a Pakistani, but I am a Malayali actually. So that's the main reason I support this community. I would love to play, I would love to see the cricket among this social community, and wish you all the team very good luck for this season, and inshallah I will see coming seasons 3, 4 and so on non-stop cricket.
Now I would like to invite Farhan Bhai to speak about some words about this tournament.
Good evening everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, welcome. One of the biggest tournament in Abu Dhabi, that is MCL. Reason being is played not because of so many people are connected to it, but because of the cause. It is for a one cause, and that is very, very valuable cause, to support someone. The best thing about us, the people over here who play cricket in Abu Dhabi, is we look up to each other. We help each other, we support each other. Yes, in the ground we are competitive, but whenever, even as an opponent, if someone hits a good shot, we'll go up and tell him, you have placed a very good shot. If someone scores a 50, we appreciate it even as an opponent. So this is the best thing about, I never seen this thing in Pakistan when we used to play cricket, or in any other city of UAE like Dubai, Sharjah or anywhere. It only happens here in Abu Dhabi. And that is because of all of us. Because we are brothers. We are not Indian, Pakistani, Sri Lanka and Bangladeshi or Nepali over here. We are cricketers over here, and for the love of cricket, we are doing this thing. So just with the same spirit, just enjoy it, and hopefully, whosoever take this trophy, it doesn't really matter. The main thing is we all are playing over here. That's important.
Thank you, Farhan Bhai. So I would like to invite Mr. Shijin, one of our sponsors, to speak about this tournament. He's also our co-committee member.
Good evening, everyone. First of you hear me? Can you hear me? I am sitting here as a sponsor, but I am a committee member. This is something we had in our mind for long years, like Malayali Cricket League, and we are very happy that we are able to implement this only in Abu Dhabi. And second thing is Abu Dhabi cricket community. It's like we tell it's very small group, but we can see many good players if you compare with other Emirates. And we are growing a lot, and I expect that we will be heading soon as one of the best teams here in India. Thank you.
So next, I would like to invite, actually Don was here, so he just went outside. So I would like to call Mithun to speak about right from the Ultimate Sports Academy.
Good evening, guys. Those who gathered, all the captains, managers, committee members, and the guests all out here. So I'm wishing all the very best, because first time Sudeep approached last year, we just start, and this time Sudeep approached straight to Dawn. So let's explain to them what is the use of it, how we gonna promote it. So the guy Dawn straight away, there is no compromise. We're gonna conduct here. So first he gathered the expenses, not a big problem.
how you're conducting, we can always support it. That is a kind of kind word from him, and let's keep going. So wishing all the captains, managers, all the best. Thank you so much.
Actually, Raju is coming. He has to speak. Then after this sponsor introduction, we'd like to move forward to the jersey revealing ceremony. Before that, uh, we'll continue after. Actually, this tournament is meant for our beloved friend Shaukat. So, a minute you can pray for his soul and for his family for 1 minute in silence. Thank you. So, Raju is here. So, I'll like to invite Raju as Enigma Sports is the title sponsor for our tournament.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to be here for our MCL function again. Sorry for the delay happens in starting the event. Not expected, but little delay happens here and there. See, we have started this event preparations around 2-3 weeks back, and till now we are in track with the support of you people, our sponsors, and all Abu Dhabi cricket community. It's our proud to thank all you people for your great support. Being a title sponsor of this tournament, we are much thankful to MCL committee for giving us such an opportunity. We hope this will be a very delightful event in terms of Abu Dhabi cricket. Also, we will fulfill the mission what we have taken away from.
Check. Mic.
Hello. Now it's okay, I believe. So, let us have our pitch talk from today, and for next 1 month, let us enjoy our cricket. Okay. So, again, thankful for being here for this trophy revealing and also for the jersey revealing. Thanks. So I like to invite Don, behalf of Enigma Sports, Ultimate Sports Academy.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for the Malayali Cricket League that conducting the MCL for Abu Dhabi cricketer, especially for Mr. Rajiv and Enigma Sports. And on behalf of Ultimate Sports Academy, we are here only to have whatever we can do for the cricket, of the love of the people whose passion for the cricket in Abu Dhabi. Once again, thank you so much for opportunity that you conducting in Ultimate Academy ground. And to all the team, best of luck and enjoy. We are here only to support. Thank you.
So we'll move to the jersey revealing ceremony. Thank you, Chirag Bhai, Afzal Bhai, Farhan Bhai. So I will give the stage to Shadab who continue. Shadab, please.
Well, good evening, guys. How are you? Are you happy to see me again? How many people are here? Well, first of all, thank you, Sudeep, for inviting. This is a tournament in memory of Mr. Shaukat Ali. So, very well human being. So, we are doing this tournament in memory of Shaukat. So, let's not waste your time. Get back to the trophy revealing as well as the jersey. I'm gonna open my Pandora box. No claps? Well, this is a fun tournament. So, where is my favorite team? Why not? Oh, there it is. That's the good. Okay, let's start with the teams. The teams are going to invite the team owner from Trivandrum, Mr. Sudeep Verma, is already here. Congratulations, sir. Claps, please. I'm also going to invite the team icon player of the same team, Mr. Shamir Khader. Shamir, if you can join the owner. Do I have to get down the stage or should I share it? Okay, thank you. You can stand behind him, that's fine. Afzal Rahman, is he here? Yeah, please. That's the icon player for Trivandrum. Next, the team column, the team owner, Mr. Farhan Niazi. If you can make your walk to the... Okay, sorry about that. There's a small miscommunication. I'll call you back. Because there's a special guest who's going to come and receive you, so just hold on for 5 minutes. Now we're going to have the team jersey reveal. It will be handed over to the team owner. So, who's going to come and hand over the jersey? By themselves? That's a nice color. That's a Trivandrum jersey. If you can have some couple of pictures clicked. Shamir, that's the icon player of Trivandrum. Thank you. Thank you, Team Trivandrum. Thank you, Mr. Sudeep. Thank you, Shamir. And also there's a jersey going to be revealed for Mr. Afzal. That's Mr. Afzal. If you can give a hand to Mr. Afzal. Yeah. Thank you. Please wear it and check the size. It's going to fit you. Thank you. I'm going to invite the next team, Ms. Kollam. The team owner, Mr. Farhan Niazi, along with the icon players Sandeep Menon and Shujil, if you can join the podium. I'm going to move here, so that would be better, so I can see myself in the camera as well. Okay. Big round of applause. Shujin, number 81. Thank you. But okay, I think it won't fit him. So it's fine. Thank you. Big round of applause for Team Column. Thank you for your time, Mr. Farhan Niazi. Next, I'm going to call the team from Pattanam Titta. Am I right? I got it. Big round of applause for that. Okay, I'm going to invite Mr. Sijin, the team owner, in the absence of Mr. Nuwan, along with the icon player, Mr. Labba, MS Labba. Please join Mr. I think you can just show and it's thank you. One in the front and one in the thank you. The next team, Alapi, the team owner Bipin Balan, if you're here, along with the Nidin Ashraf and JT George. If you can join the team owner. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to now invite Mr. Afzal for the team Kannur, along with his two icon players, Sanjay Nair and Jamshir. If you can quickly come down to the podium and take your shirts. That's team number 14. Let's invite Kasargod, Mr. Muhammad Ali, the team owner, along with the icon player, Gibson and Sajadev. If you can join Mr. Ali. Thank you. Thank you. Let's invite Team Abu Dhabi, the owner, Mr. Chirag Nanda, along with the icon player, Mr. Shine Ismail. All team are mine. Thank you, Team Abu Dhabi. No problem. All the way. Thank you. Okay, let's invite Team Musaffa. Hence the team owner isn't there. I'm gonna call their subordinate, Mr. Sijin, to hand over the jersey to Mr. Anjo, the icon player of Musaffa. Thank you, Mr. Sijin, taking the responsibility, handing over the jersey. That's Mr. Anju from Musaffa. Thank you. Sijin bhai, please stand for the pictures. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Let's invite Team Kotian, team owner Shabir, along with the icon player Rashid and Sumit Nair. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Let's invite Iduki, Team Iduki, team owner Vivek, along with Haris Hanifa and Mohammed Shamim. If you're in the ground, please collect your jerseys. Sudeep bhai, please hand over the jersey. That's Mr. Sudeep handing over the jersey to the icon player of Iduki. Thank you. Thank you. Let's invite team Ernakulam along with the team owner Mr. Rajiv with Sanil Nair and Sujit, the icon players. Guys, don't you think this is a nice color? And requesting all the team owners and icon players to stay focused on the stage, and there's a new surprise for you guys. There's something surprise coming soon. So please do not leave the podium. Thank you, sir. Team Ernakulam, thank you. Let's, the next team, Trishur, be ready with your icon players. Thank you. Trishur, team owner, Shamir, along with Sanil Kumar and Tabriz Ali. The next team will be Malappuram. So be ready with your icon players. Thank you. Next team, Malappuram. Malappuram, team owner Kamal with Akhilesh Babu and Sushant. Please get your jerseys of the tournament. The next team will be Kozhikode. Please be ready. Thank you. Thank you. Kozhikode, Shaji Abraham, Akil Das and Najmul. Team owner Shaji Abraham. The next team, Palakkad, be ready. Palakkad. Anybody from Palakkad? No one from Palakkad? Palakkad, please collect your jerseys. Mr. Sudeep will hand over the jerseys to the players of Palakkad. The next team will be, and last but not least, Wayanad. Be ready. The last team for the day, Wayanad. Wayanad. The team owner Dishar, along with the icon players Arun and Harris. Please collect your shirts. Thank you. Why not? So after this jersey revealing, there will be a trophy unveiling ceremony, which will be again organized by Team MCL. Thank you for your time and patience. Do not leave your spots. Stay where you are. All those players who's having their jerseys, please take the stage. It's all yours now. All the players with the jerseys, please come to the podium. And thank you so much. Thank you. Please, on the stage. Thank you. Thank you, boys. That's all from me now. Handing over the mic to Mr. Sudeep. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shadab. Thank you very much. So, I will call Rajiv. Please come on stage. Don is here. Farhan bhai. Farhan bhai. Afzal bhai. Afzal bhai. Shamir. All the team owners, please come on stage. All the team owners, please come on stage. I can play, we can wait here. I can wait here. Team owners here. I can play, please come here. Suji. Can sit there. I can play. Everybody. Okay, so Farhan bhai, Rajiv, Afzal bhai, can so very interesting, and this will be Malayali Cricket League season 2021, the Champions Trophy. This trophy all the teams are waiting for, and our team owners are going to reveal this trophy. And please, you can reveal. Everybody. can cheer up. Come on, guys. It's okay. Meanwhile, you can hold. After that,
Final bid.
thank you all. Hope the trophy is very. We can. They just.
Oh yeah.
No. Everybody, you can. No, you can hold.
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड कर देता है, चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर देता किधर किया?
मैं तो है ना डेली एक लाइक मेरा है। आशिफ का फोटो बनाए भाई।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या रमी कैसी?
तुम्हारा ब्लैक ज़्यादा क्यों है? हम लोगों का ब्लैक कमती है शर्ट। हाँ? ऐसे क्या है? तुम्हारा डिज़ाइन डिफरेंट क्यों है? ऑर्गेनाइजर का टीम है। सुजल, जाओ ना आइकन प्लेयर।
The other, all the teams, other players jersey, you can contact Enigma or Raji. He can provide all the jerseys.
Ready बस।
Final match now.
Yeah.